Good morning. It's Thursday, 18th of December. It's 6:45 a.m. Very early, but it will be about 18 degrees to 22 degrees for the next 2 hours. And let's check the yellow hive. That's a good sign. One west, bees 9, honey 1, nectar 1, brood in all stages 8. One east, bees 8, nectar 2, and brood is about 7. It's really a good sign. 2 west, bees 6, nectar 3, brood 8, no queen cells. 2 east, bees 9, brood mostly capped 9. 3 west, bees 8, these are drone brood, honey 1, nectar 1, brood 7. 3 east, bees 7, honey 1, brood 8, and we've got a lot of drone brood here on my left hand. Now queen cells. Four west, bees 8, honey 1, nectar 1, brood 6, no queen cells. 4 east, bees 6, honey 1, brood mostly cap brood 6, also 7. 5 west, bees 8, nectar 2, brood 6. 5 east, bees 8, honey 1, nectar 2, brood mostly capped and milky brood 8. 6 west, bees 7, nectar 8. 6 east, bees 8, nectar 9. Looks like I didn't need to bring sugar water today. 7 west empty, 7 east, bees 6, nectar 4. 8 west empty, 8 east empty. We will put this frame 8, it becomes frame 5. And frame 1 remains frame 1. And that's our yellow hive. Let's check the green hive. Checking the super. Looks like it's empty. It is empty. There are bees. I would say equivalent to 2 bees. Lifting the queen excluder. Again, this hive doesn't have any small hive beetle trap. Ooh. 1 west, honey 3, nectar 3, pollen 4, bees 6, 1 east, bees 5, nectar 2, pollen nectar 3, pollen 7. Really good, really good. Let's check for the queen. They're fat. 2 west, bees 7, nectar 2, brood 5. I can see milky brood. 2 east, honey 2, bees 8, brood 8. I can see milky brood as well. Queen up here. Frame 3 west, bees 7, nectar 2, brood in all stages 5, 3 east, bees 8, honey 1, brood in all stages 8, queen up here, no queen cells. 4 west, bees 8, nectar 1, brood in all stages 8, no queen cells, queen out here. 4 east, bees 9, brood in all stages 8, queen out here. No queen cells. Some brood, some drone brood. So I think this needs a super. It has a super. Even the yellow hive needs a super, but I did not bring any. 5 west, bees 8, honey 1, nectar 1, brood 8. Queen out here, no queen cells. 5 east, bees 9, brood mostly capped 9. I'll say nectar 1, queen out here. 6 west, bees 8, honey 1, nectar 1, brood 8. Queen out here, no queen cells. 6 east, bees 6, honey 1, nectar 1, brood in all stages 8. Eggs, hope you can see it. I'm assuming the queen is here. But no, cannot find her, we cannot spot her. 7 west, bees 5, honey 1, nectar 2, brood mostly capped 8. Queen out here. 7 east, bees 6, honey 1, brood 8. Queen out here. They are happy. They are happy. Last frame. 8 west, bees 9, nectar 8, 8 east, bees 5, honey 3, nectar 7. Alright, we'll put them back to their original position. Frame 1 still becomes frame 1. Really fat bees. Not body shaming. Queen excluder back. Super back. Although the super is empty. And no sugar syrup today. And that's our happy green hive. Now let's check the orange hive. One west, nectar 2, 1 east empty. Two west, bees 5, nectar 8. 2 east, bees 1. Three west, bees 5, nectar 1. Cap brood. Brood is 8. 3 east, bees 9, nectar 1. Let's check their eggs. The empty cells. It's fine. Queen up there. No queen cells. They're not as friendly as the other two hives. Four west, bees 8, nectar 1, brood 1, queen up here. 4 east, bees 5, brood 9, perfect. Queen up here. Five west, bees 7, brood in all stages 8. 5 east, bees 8, brood in all stages 5. Nectar 1, queen up here. Six west, bees 5, brood perfect 10, but we'll only give it 9. Not so many bees, maybe they're all out. They're mostly out. And 6 east, bees 5, pollen, brood 9, queen up here as well. Seven west, bees 7, we've got a queen there. I'm sure she's laying in this side of the frame. And 7 east, bees 7, nectar 1. You cannot see, but have a look if you can spot some eggs. Eight west, bees 5, nectar 5. 8 east, bees 7, nectar 8. This one we put here. Frame 1 becomes frame 8. We're not feeding them, so no need to feed the orange hive as well. We'll get back to them for the installation of the queen excluder and super. And that is our orange hive, and looks like we're gonna return all our sugar water at home. Let's check the olive hive. Let's check the super. Yep. Frame 5 of the super 5 west. We have 8 nectar, and 5 east we've got 6. And I would assign probably about 9 bees in the super. Even frame 6 is wet in the middle, so that's good. And let's check the brood box of the olive hive. One west, bees 8, nectar 7. 1 east, bees 6, nectar 6. It's really heavy. I'm not complaining. 2 west, bees 8. Look at that, honey 3, brood 7. 2 east, bees 7, nectar 1. Peanut here. 3 west, bees 8, nectar 1. Brood in all stages. I can see larvae 8. 3 east, bees 9, brood in all stages 9. 4 4 west, bees 8, honey 1, brood mostly capped 8. We've got some drone brood at the top of the frame as well. 4 east, bees 9, honey 1, brood 9. She's doing a waggle dance over there. She's telling her sisters that she found food source, nectar and pollen, or pollen, outside. It's gonna be 37 degrees top today, and the bees will be out. 5 west. Hopefully we can spot the queen. We haven't spotted the queen. Oh yeah, this one is our queen, the queen of the olive hive. She was elusive for the last 2 inspections. Bees of 5 west 8, honey 1, nectar 1, brood 8, and 5 east, bees 9, honey 1, nectar 1, brood 8. She's back there. Six west, bees 7, honey 2, nectar 1, brood 7. 6 east, bees 9, honey 1, brood 8. This frame is heavy. Floor clean. 7 west, bees 7, nectar 1, and brood 9. 7 east, bees 8, honey 2, brood 8. Eight west, bees 7, nectar 7, pollen 1. 8 east, bees 9, honey 2, nectar 7, pollen 1. What do we do with frame 1? Oops. Just put them here in the frame 8 position, just because the box is now sticky. Yung excluder. With the Supra, we don't need to feed them, but I'll give this so they can finish this. And that's our olive hive.